Every DBA knows that the best performance gains are obtained from optimizing the SQL statements. One of the top SQL tuning tips I could give you is that measure what's taking so long in your SQL queries and then either eliminate it or reduce it. That is one of the most fundamental part of tuning your SQL queries. Now, if you're using Oracle, you can get this information as where your SQL is spending time. You can use statements execution plan. I'm not talking about explain plan, I'm talking about execution plan. That gives you a breakdown of how long each specific step in the plan took. The easiest way is with the SQL Monitor, which automatically captures long running queries. This updates in real time so you can see how a query progression is done as it runs. But you do need to be licensed for diagnostic and tuning pack. So if you don't have a license for it, don't use it because otherwise Oracle is going to penalize you. Also, the quick queries won't appear by default. So if your queries are quick but expensive, then and you want to monitor them, you can overcome both of these restrictions by tracing your session. So when you trace your session, it captures execution details of all SQLs within it. If you want to trace an active session, then you need to have a SID and serial number in Oracle, and you can use dbms underscore monitor package. If you're using SQL Server, Postgres, or MySQL, all of these databases have their own equivalent execution plan where you can check where exactly is time being spent. So don't blindly go in and start creating indexes or just trying to give some hints for it to use full table scan or other esoteric things. First measure it, then just check what is which step of that query's execution plan is taking long, and then focus on that step. I hope that you found it useful. If you have any question or feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.